Your phone is no longer a communication device. It is the master key to your identity and your life savings. The 2026 data is in. Over 65% of digital financial fraud now originates from authorized push payment scams directly on your mobile device. In 2026, thieves aren't just snatching hardware. They're waiting for you to type your passcode, then draining your accounts in seconds. I'm TechTurner, and this is your strategic briefing. Most people think their banking app is the vault. It's not. Your phone's operating system is the front door, and you've likely left it unlocked. Our first defense is the SIM lock toggle. Your SIM card is the master key to your identity. If a thief grabs your phone, they can move your MFA codes to a burner device in seconds. By setting a SIM pin, you create a hardware-level deadbolt that keeps your recovery codes out of the wrong hands. Next, we are hardening the sandbox. You need to enable lockdown mode, or hardened sandboxing. Research shows that zero-click exploits, malware that installs just by you receiving a text, are hitting high-net-worth individuals via retail-grade spyware. Turning this button on is your security ROI. You are trading flashy browser features for a nearly unhackable environment. It strips away the complex web code that hackers use as entry points. Remember, convenience in your mobile browser is actually an open window for modern exploits. Close it. Now for the unpopular truth. Biometrics are your weakest link. The industry hypes Face ID as the gold standard, but in 2026, deep spoof cameras can recreate your facial map from a single social media photo. If a camera can see it, a hacker can clone it. My tactical advice? Switch to a 10-digit alphanumeric passcode for your banking apps. Digital defense requires friction. To join our executive network and stay ahead of this 2026 tech curve, subscribe to the briefing below. We don't just report on tech, we architect your defense. In my experience consulting for fintech firms, I once saw a CEO lose $200K in 4 minutes because a thief used his home location to bypass security triggers. This is why button number 3 is non-negotiable. Stolen device protection. This button triggers a security delay, preventing immediate password resets even if the thief has your passcode. Security isn't just about stopping an entry, it's about buying yourself time to react. Understanding these 3 buttons is only the first step. The next phase is implementation, which I've broken down in detail in this video right here. I'll see you there.